Hey, sweet pea. You mind if I join you? How are you feeling today? That's good. This little munchkin treating you okay? Pretty calm for right now. Finally got tired of wiggling around in there. Good. Are you shaking salt on those chips? I'm sorry. I'm not making fun of you. I know your taste buds are going crazy. It's just, I specifically bought that flavor because I knew that you hated it. I did. But I guess your hormones is something different in mind. No, it's okay. You two can eat whatever you want. Anything this little critter makes you crave is fine by me. You remember to take your vitamins today? No, don't get up. I got them, sweetie. There you go. Yeah, I know they're gross. But you gotta do it. Every day. Come on. There you go. Good girl. A reward? How about a foot rub? Okay. Come here. Get him up here. Let me get these flip-flops off. You want some cocoa butter on it? Okay. Let me warm it up a little bit. Okay. Here you go, sweetie. Poor little swollen things. I had to work overtime. Carried around my kid. Thank you, feet. Does that feel good? Good. Just like kneading some dough. Nice, firm, gentle pressure. Slow circles. You really dig in there. Good. These little toes are so cute. Remember when the baby was this small? Almost feels like a whole nother life, doesn't it? I am so proud of you. You want some lotion on your tummy too? Okay. There you go, sweetie. I love this big, beautiful belly. This kid has a very cute little house. Good neighborhood. You really, genuinely look adorable like this. Well, you are. I could not have knocked up a better girl. And you are going to be a great mom. You know how I know? Because you and me had crazy parents, and we are not going to make their same mistakes. Our kid is not going to have the same kind of limits or expectations or stress that we did. We are going to knock it out of the park. I promise you right now that we are going to make an entirely new and original set of mistakes. And this kid is going to be a light in this world. Just like you are. Okay? We're going to get through this. I know we can. Because we're tough. And strong. And we're kind and funny and good looking. This kid could not ask for a more perfect mother. And you know what? I have wanted to be a dad since I was a little kid. At a recess, when we played house, I was always the daddy. Yeah. I kind of just always had a caretaker kind of personality. I always tried to make sure that everything was fair that everyone got a turn. I always felt like I had to be a peacemaker, stick up for the little kids. I've always had this thing on my mind. Wanted to build my kid a big library full of all my favorite books, share all my favorite cartoons, have an excuse to play with toys. I always wanted to show my kid how beautiful the world could be. And you know what? I cannot wait to get a chance to see the world through a fresh pair of eyes. And I cannot wait to hold this baby in my arms. I mean, you know me. I love to feel needed and relied on. Which, to be totally honest, is why I kind of like you like this. You're cute when you're a little helpless, a little helpless. I like being able to just spoil you and pamper you nonstop. And I'm very glad that right now you're here to soak up all my attention and love. That is my favorite part of being able to share all this with you. I mean that and these fantastic boobs, God, they are great. Woman, you are something else. You are one in a million. You just draw me in. Magnetized to you. Maybe it's something primal, about how it feels to be able to alter the body chemistry of such an amazing woman. Such consequence. I claimed you. Every inch of you. As my very own. I made you mine. To your very core. How about we go inside and I draw you a nice warm bath and I find a nice way to show you just how much you belong to me.